Laptop computers is a portable personal computer that features a screen, touchpad, and alphanumeric keyboard, or at least that's what we know it as today. Laptops typically feature a clamshell design where the screen is located on the interior of the upper lid and the keyboard is situated on the interior of the lower lid. Alan Kay, an American computer scientist, is known for developing the first prototype of a laptop. In 1968, he created a portable computer called the Dynabook, which he envisioned as a child-friendly device weighing less than a kilogram or no more than 2 pounds. Although 10 prototypes of the Dynabook, renamed to Xerox Note-Taker, were created at Xerox PARC in Palo Alto, California in 1978, the product never went into production. Nevertheless, Kay's vision has a great influence on later laptop designs. In April 1981, the Osborne 1 became the first true laptop to hit the market. Adam Osborne is the creator of this device, which had a 5-inch screen and weighed 11.1 kilograms, which is about 24.5 pounds. However, the machine still required an AC outlet for power. Epson's HX20 and Grid System Corporation's Grid Compass both made their debut in the early 1980s. The Grid Compass was designed by British industrial designer Bill Moggridge and was so expensive that only the US military and NASA could afford it. Nevertheless, the computer revolutionized the industry with its design. The Compass was a computer in a briefcase, with its keyboard and display built into its flip-up lid. This design ensures that the laptop screens remain shielded when users close the lids. This clamshell-style configuration soon became the industry standard among laptops. Other major technology companies entered the market in the 80s, each releasing a new experiment. In 1983, Radio Shack introduced the Japanese TRS-80 Model 100 to the United States. This computer was notable for being one of the first to have a liquid-style display (LCD). The next year, Commodore released the Commodore SX64, which weighed 9.1 kilograms, around 20 pounds. And was the first portable computer to offer color. Also in 1984, the Javelin SC was introduced, which was the first computer marketed as a laptop. In 1986, IBM launched the PC Convertible, which was the first laptop to weigh less than 6.8 kilograms, around 15 pounds. Two historic releases that revolutionized the laptop industry were the Compaq SLT 286 in 1988 and the NEC Ultralight in 1989. The former was the first laptop with VGA graphics and an internal hard drive, while the latter was the first lightweight notebook-style laptop. Apple entered the laptop market in 1989 with the release of its Mac Portable, which was not successful. However, in 1991, the company released the PowerBook, which was a significant success and a milestone in laptop design. The PowerBook had innovative features such as a trackball for navigation and palm rests. Over time, additional models of the PowerBook were released, which included the touchpad, the 256 color display, and a built-in Ethernet networking port. Technological advancement in the 90s led to increased popularity of laptops, thanks to enhancements such as more efficient batteries, the Intel 386 processor, which was designed specifically for laptops, active matrix display technology, replacing the inferior cathode ray tube and liquid-style displays, thinner and higher capacity hard disk drives, and internal modems and ports. Consequently, sales of laptops skyrocketed. In 1995, global laptop sales reached 10 million for the first time, and by 2000, they reached 28.5 million. By the early 2000s, laptop sales generated more revenue than desktops. In the 21st century, laptop manufacturers introduced various new laptop models, including new types of laptops. One experimental type was the Netbook, which was a small and affordable notebook designed to run only web applications. The first notebooks were developed for developing nations as part of the One Laptop Per Child programs. The first netbook widely marketed to the general public was the Asus Eee PC 700 in 2007. While the netbook showed promise, it became obsolete by the mid-2010s due to the rise of smartphones and tablets. Netbooks eventually evolved into computers like the Chromebook, which was first introduced in 2011 and runs on the Google Chrome OS operating system. From Alan Kay's visionary prototype to the sleek and powerful laptops of today, the laptop story is a testament to human ingenuity. As technology continues to advance, the laptop's role in our lives will undoubtedly evolve, but its legacy as a portable computing marvel will endure. And if you want to know how Apple is preparing for their first foldable iPhone. Watch this video after. And please take just a second to support me by subscribing to my channel and liking this video and perhaps sharing it with interested friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.